Can I just show one more thing?
What are you showing? Oh yeah. Oh, this is a bit special, isn't it?
It is a bit special.
Okay, so we've got our test track, which you may have seen before, which has had 2 tracks on it, but it's been extended to 3 because now we've got N here, we've got HO, and then in between sides we've got the TT mounted up. So it allows us to check all the TT locomotives.
And this is aftermarket flexi track.
That's
this
right.
Isn't Hornby TT flexi track.
This is PECO.
And it's actually HOM.
That's right.
Isn't it? So
yes,
but
it's the same width.
It's the same width.
That's right.
It's just the sleepers are a little bit different on this.
That's right.
On
just
this
for testing.
than what you. This is our test track.
Okay, so we're going to show you something interesting.
So I have got a carriage. Can I call it a carriage? Is that what we call it?
You can call it that.
Because these TT carriages that you get, not the ones in the kit, but the ones you get.
Should I turn on the power?
As an extra. Boom.
Oh.
Can you see that? The lights are on. Look, and if you dim it, look, you can dim it. Look, you can set the mood.
I reckon we might need to.
What do we need to?
Get a bit closer, maybe turn off a light.
Oh, really?
Let's go here.
I can't trust. Really?
You don't trust what? You don't trust me?
In the dark? There's no way.
What do you mean? We've been in the dark together before. Oh, it's getting romantic.
Is it?
Yep. All right, look at this. Look at that.
How cool is that? Do you want me to hold it and you can dim it?
Oh, yeah. Well, it's sort of dimming a little bit because I can't hold it level. All right, so what am I doing? All right, so depending on how much power you add, like how fast the train's going, it's going to change the brightness of the lights, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if it wasn't running, it would be like this. As you're running faster, it will slowly light up to this point here.
How cool is that?
Lit coaches.
That is really cool. Is that, I'm not sure, is that what they've had in other scales before?
So you can get lit coaches
We're in the dark. HO. It feels like we're camping.
Yeah, they have been around, definitely. But these are optional carriages you can buy, and we do have these in stock now. Beautiful. And these are Pullman coaches. Pullman as in Pullman hotels. Mm-hmm. Same company.
That's right.
Pull this off, disconnect.
And let me grab this one.
Yes. All right, let's have a closer look at this, eh?
So that is really, really cool.
Look at this, beautiful. All right, so you can see the little tables.
Reminds me of the dinner tram, W-class dinner tram in Melbourne.
Yeah, that's right. It's a shame it's not around anymore, isn't it?
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
All the pinstriping.
And these are just available.
Do you call that pinstriping? What do you call that sort of striping that's quite often on trucks and such?
Go fast stripes.
Is it?
Not sure.
Didn't sound appropriate for a train.
Why?
There you go, there's a corridor. Nice, isn't it? There we go. Nice. I like that.
It's just gentle, isn't it?
It is.
Everything's nice in train world, isn't it?